So the Emperor Qin Shi Huang was a super powerful dude who ruled over China before the century. Then, however, one day he died and he was buried with all his treasure and money. So, in modern day China, the micro hard gang wanted to break into his tomb and steal all the treasure. They got in, saw his lithium-made coffin sitting in a mercury lake. However, they did not know that the lithium in the coffin is not pure lithium anymore, but instead lithium mercury at 50% atomic weight lithium. What this meant for the material is that the melting temperature increased hugely. So, lithium is categorized with a BCC structure, while mercury is categorized with a rhombohedral unit cell structure. As we can see, the unit cell length for lithium is 3.51 angstroms, while the base unit cell length is 3.46 for mercury. When they combine into a BCC structure once again, with the central atom acting as a substitutional mercury atom. Now, the new unit cell is 3.29 angstroms. This is the reason for this is because lithium bond and mercury bond are all weaker than lithium-mercury bond. There is a transfer of electrons between the two atoms. This is because the electronegativity of lithium is 0.98 and it has 1 valence electrons, while mercury has an electronegativity of 2.0. It's much larger than lithium, hence the electron will move. The way that mercury transports in lithium is by vacancy diffusion, where it can move into the vacancies created in the lithium metal. As the mercury atomic width and the lithium atomic width are very similar at 14.8%, we can see that the diffusion coefficients for mercury and lithium self-diffusion are very, very similar. This means that essentially the movement of lithium in lithium and mercury in lithium is the same. With the lithium from the coffin and the mercury on top, essentially what will happen is that the mercury will start to diffuse into the lithium. This means that there will be a concentration gradient, and using data that we found from articles, we can say that over 2,300 years, the diffusion means that at a depth of 17 centimeters into the lithium coffin, the compound has become lithium mercury. What this means is that this part of the coffin is between 40 and 60 atomic weight lithium, meaning that it has a higher melting temperature. So when they tried to use the blowtorch they brought, which had a temperature of about 200 degrees Celsius, it wasn't enough to melt them, which means that they did not get to steal the treasure.